Why, hello! We're the actors from the popular web series Red vs. Blue, and we need your help!
Yeah, it turns out the script for our next PSA was entrusted to somebody that thought it was a secret document, so he burned it. And then he ate it.
I already told you, that's what we're trained to do with secret information.
We who? Who would train you to do that?
Oh, I could tell you, but you see, then I'd have to burn you and eat you. Besides, I memorized the script before destroying it.
All right then, tell us. What's the episode about?
Okay, picture this. We open on a huge samurai battle, but all the samurais are really ninjas. Then the giant talking dog says,
Forget it.
GameStop has decided to help us out by sponsoring a contest to help us find a temporary replacement.
So, if you've always wanted to write your own Red vs. Blue PSA, now's your chance. Just check GameStop.com/Halo for details on how to submit a storyline.
The winner will have their script produced by the Red vs. Blue team at Rooster Teeth Productions. What the heck kind of name is that?
Just think of what an amazing opportunity this is. Something you write could actually appear on the internet. How many people can say that?
There's also prizes.
Oh, yeah, that's another reason.